everybody. We're here for our first full day in Colombia. We're in Medellin today. We live traded this morning. We've got a city tour this afternoon that we're all looking forward to. Dinner out tonight at a beautiful restaurant. This is going to be a great time in Colombia.
Hello, my name is Andrew Aziz, the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. Welcome to my channel.
All right, guys, good morning, everybody. I am doing this recap live from Colombia. And we had an amazing retreat in Colombia. We're visiting three cities, Medellin, Guatapé, and Cartagena. So we are in the middle of our retreat. It was amazing with so many of traders. I'm going to actually record a video of the traders trading, and we're going to add it in this recap. And yeah, it's been amazing. So I hope that everybody's enjoying the time here. And we had some amazing trading. Now I want to talk about the trades that we did. So sorry about that. So I ask traders, just give me one quiet minute so I can finish this one. So crypto hit $100,000 yesterday. Obviously brings a lot of volatility, especially for the companies that are super related to the crypto, like blockchain companies, Bitcoin holders, mining companies, and that kind of things. Tesla obviously is moving. Tesla, because Elon Musk is a big advocate of cryptos. They used to have some crypto stuff, but they don't have it anymore. I don't know. I don't think they have a huge holding of Bitcoin. But regardless, we looked at it at the price action on a daily chart. The first thing that we look at the daily chart, so this is super important. The first thing that we look at the daily chart was breaking out of this range that we had for the last 2 weeks after election. So it was kind of trading in this range, and it gapped up above this range. And I said, actually, I'm really, really liking that. I'm really, really liking this gap up around this range. And that's what, you're looking for. Because Tesla can be really choppy when it's trading within the small range. But because it gapped up above like almost 360, I said, this is a really, really good gap up, and I might actually trade that. So I was watching it very religiously. And what we saw is that open up very strong, at the pre-market, just above the VWAP. Really nice squeeze, heavy volume, very strong order flow. So I jumped in long on it at 363, popped up for the break of high of the day with partial, and I said, okay, this is super heavy. I started adding on 365.46 and partial some 368, and the pullback I added more, and we went all the way up to the last at 374, and that was my biggest trade. And eventually turned out to be like a $16,000 profit. I actually got partial fill on that. I couldn't really get the full trade on that. And Nvidia was also another trade that I did. I lost most of let me actually bring the Nvidia here. Nvidia was a small trade that I did for opening range breakup, did partial out, and I got a stopped out. So that was a little bit disappointing here. So entry at the level, and then I got out, stopped out. So for a small profit on that. A lot of other traders, really good trades on that. I know Megan and Paris live, they traded MSTR short, and as you see, MSTR was gapping up obviously because has a lot of crypto, at the choppy a little bit. But I think Megan and Paris, they took the trade short here for very, very, very nice drop. This actually might go red for the day. So again, a lot of time these stocks were gapping up. People start taking profit on them, and they're going continuously down. So I just wanted to thank everybody. You were patient with us for this week that we are in Colombia. We had so much fun in Colombia. We actually put some of the videos. I asked my editor to put some of the videos of our trading in there.
Some amazing trading altogether in Colombia. Everybody who's not here, I think you guys are missing out. It's my station. Obviously, there's a lot of coffee. This is Mr. Pez and Brian together. I hope that everybody can join us for the next retreat. So we have Paris, we have Megan. Megan, what did you trade?
Tesla long, MSTR short.
MSTR short. You love your Tesla.
I do MSTR. That's MSTR.
Wow.
Look at that short.
Yeah, trigger on it.
Wow. Look at that short, 3 grand. Good morning, Chris. Did you decide to come to Amazon?
I'm working on
Working at it, working at it.
Apple Tesla today.
Apple Tesla.
STR.
This is really good because these guys must be hangover. No, he's not.
Not today.
Not today.
I tried loading your settings.
And this is Avi.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Avi, how come all the beautiful girls are sitting next to you?
You gotta look like this.
All right, so that's a really good trading retreat that we had. This is the last trading day. I hope that everybody is coming to our next event on Vancouver. It would be same as this, but more fun.
We had a lot of fun, and this is something that at the end of the retreat, I'm gonna ask some feedback from the people who are here. This is the first time we do this, obviously, and see what we can do better. And if you want to continue doing it in different destinations, like we can do it in Dubai. We have a lot of traders in Dubai. Avi said, we can help arranging it. Dubai is an amazing place. We can do it in Thailand. We can do it in northern India. Paris said, he has connections there. We can do that. And yeah, we can continue doing this retreat a few times a year. And not only we trade together as a family, but also we can travel together as friends and family. And that's what I want. That's what the community to be, like friends and family. So the market is amazing. This is just amazing volatility. And I don't think this volatility is going to go away. The market might get a 5 to 7% pullback, which is completely healthy and, releases all the leverage in the market and everything. But I don't think the volatility of the market is going to go anywhere. The genie is out of the lamp. The genie of retail trading is out of the lamp. And unless there's any big fundamental change in the mechanics of the market, I don't think this volatility is going to go away. So this is a really good time to start learning. It might be too late to take profit if you're new. If you're $100,000, you want to jump in there and you want to start become a trader. It might be a little bit too early for that, but it's a good place to start. They say that the best time to start planting a tree is today. Just start learning it and be around a group of people that can help you, that can support you. And matches your personality and the values that you have in life. And I hope the Bear Book Traders will be one of them, but there's so many other amazing educators and amazing communities out there that you can also consider. Thank you so much again, guys. I'm really looking forward to see you. And Vancouver meetup, guys. I really hope that you can consider coming to Vancouver because Vancouver is, we have a one full TEDx event with the team of peak performance and mental resilience. I'm going to take you through a journey because you want to go up on the high, and always people on the top fall, and then the question is if they can come back up or not. That's the resilience part of it. There are a lot of people who fall, they can never really come back up, and you see it even in the big public figures as well, like a lot of big actors, a lot of big athletes, they all go up and then they fall and then they can never really come back up. So that's the theme of our TEDx talks. It cost me a lot of money to bring a lot of speakers and hotels and everything. I really hope that you guys can come and support. And of course, we have a 2-day conference in Vancouver, and that 2-day conference is 1 day of full webinars, technical presentations, and workshops, and then live trading all together that we are doing right now. All right, guys, thank you so much. All the best, and see you soon in the chat room or hopefully in person. Ciao.